Hey guys, Mr. Graves here. Good evening. Hope everyone's doing fine. I'm going to go ahead and do the homework for October 6th, 2022. Specifically, the homework for Algebra 1 8th grade class, page 187. Okay, so that was just remind me to take out the trash, which I already did. You guys have to do numbers 4 to 26, just the evens. So on number 3, I'm going to do the odd ones, so I don't do your homework for you. So on this one here, we have 8x. I know it has ax equals bx plus c. Please, I'm sorry, not plus c, minus c. I'm not worried about that because now I'm looking at this. I'm like, wait a minute, this is ridiculous. Don't even bother with that nonsense. They want us to do it. They want us to worry about this. 8x equals 3x minus 10. And we have to solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. 5x is equal to negative 10. Then divide both sides by 5. So x equals negative 2. So if you got negative 2 for 3, that's fine. Okay? Because honestly, here's how, like, this 8x equals bx minus c. I subtract bx on both sides. This is how I would do this. This is crazy. Equals to negative c or negative 1c. Right, everything by negative 1. So that'd be negative ax plus bx equals c. I factor out negative a. Oh no, sorry, not negative a, negative x. It's like this is what I was doing at class today. I was like, man, this was dope. But I can see why it's not dope for some people. So negative x factors out, leaves you with a minus b equals c. Divide both sides by a and b. So negative x equals c over a minus b. This is the same as saying negative x or negative 1x is equal to c minus a over b. So divide both sides by negative 1. I'm going to do the keep change flip. So that's c over a minus b times 1 over negative 1. So x would equal c over, distribute this to both sides. So it's going to be negative a plus b. So x is equal to c divided by b minus a. So that's how they did that to solve that in the problem. Whew. It's a lot of work, isn't it, huh? Yeah. It's stuff like this. I know it's going to be tough to rewrite all this. So I do not blame you if you don't get it. But I still have to show it to you anyways, okay? Let me do another one that could be a little bit annoying. So for number 5, I have c is equal to x plus a over b. And I have 2 is equal to x plus 5 over 7. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. So that's 14, goes away. X plus 5. Subtract 5 on both sides. So 9 is equal to x. Now I'm going to come back over here. And remember, we have to solve. The whole point of all of this is to solve for x. So that means you're going to have x on one side of the equal sign. So I have c equals to x plus a divided by b. I'm going to multiply both sides by b to get rid of it. So b times c is equal to x plus a. Subtract a on both sides. So that leaves me with bc minus a is equal to x. Yep. Annoying, yes, but fun for me as a math guy. Now I get to other parts where it's not as hard. Not as hard. Like for instance, still on page 187, number We're still on page 187. I'm going to do number 11. You have 2x plus y equal to 7. And you have to get y by itself, so you're solving for y. So that means to get y by itself, so I need to do that by subtracting 2x on both sides. That means y is equal to 7 minus 2x. If you say y is equal to negative 2x plus 7, I'll take either one of those as well as the answer. And there you go, you're done just with that. Now let's do one where it involves, it gets a little ugly, like on number 17. So for 17 you have 30 is equal to 9x minus 5y. Again, we're solving for y. Right there, solving for y. So I'm going to subtract 9x on both sides. So 30 minus 9x is equal to negative 5y. Divide both sides by negative 5. 30 divided by negative 5 is negative 6. Plus 9 over 5x equals to y. Goes away. So that means y, this is one solution. Another solution is y is equal to 9 over 5x minus 6. So I just rewrote one where I have x in front of the x, so I wrote it in the slope-intercept form correctly anyways, so that way that makes sense. Minus 6, okay, cool. Then it gets a little bit, I won't say it's hard. Let's see, flip it over to the back side. No, I'm still on page 187. So, on number 21, it says the surface area of a prism is S equals 2B plus PH, and we have to solve for H. So what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to subtract 2B on both sides. S minus 2B is equal to PH. So I'm going to divide everything by P. So S over P minus 2B over P is equal to H, or I can just say S minus 2B divided by P is equal to H. So either one of those I'll take as the answer. Yep, S minus 2B divided by P, perfect. Nice. And then I have to do one more on that page. So on page 187, I'm going to do number 25. And for 25, we have to solve for y. Because it says, when it says write it that y is a function of x, just get y equal to one side. Ooh, I almost lost my pencil. So I have 9 minus 0.5y equals 2.5x. So to get y by itself, I'm just going to have to subtract 9 on both sides. So I have negative 0.5y is equal to 2.5x minus 9. I'm going to divide by 0.5. Oh no, I left my calculator. Sucks. So, but I do have one on my phone, so I'm not going to worry too much. 2.5 divided by 0.5 is just 5x. And 9 divided by 0.5 is just 18. So y equals 18. Y equals 5x minus 18. You could also say y is equal to, I believe it's going to be 18 minus 5x. Yep, negative, yep. Oh, these are negatives. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm like a ton of bricks. That's a negative. So this is actually a positive 18, and this is a negative 5x. Okay, there we go. It's like, what the heck? Yeah, that's why. I forgot the negative 0.5. So that takes care of that problem, those problems. Let me see. I think that's it, guys, on the homework. Yeah. That's it on the homework, guys. Please, if you need any help, you guys know you can always email me or text me. And of course, remember to love God, math, and each other. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.